In this video, I'll be doing a Ninjatrader demo account tutorial for beginners. For the demo account, if you have a new account, you can sign up for a free 14-day trial and then press Access Simulation here. This will bring you to the demo account. And then here we'll be greeted with many different windows. So I like to do is make it a little bit less cluttered. I like to delete some of these, delete this one, and then keep this one up. And then what I like to do is go over and get the Super DOM, put this here, as the Super DOM on Ninjatrader is very handy and good feature. And then I'll make this a little bit bigger. So this is the standard setup that I like to do. Here we can go ahead and select all of the different markets that I might want to have here. So press this, S&P here, press up here, we can get NASDAQ. These are just some of the markets that I like to trade, so you can go ahead and get your own. So here, as you can see, I've got some indicators, so I'll go onto here, take these off as it's very cluttered. And then this volume indicator, I'll click on this, and you can change the colors and edit the settings here. So we can go up to indicators here and add some indicators, for example, moving averages. We can go ahead and add that, and then you'll see on the chart we have that. Also, another indicator that I like to have is Bollinger Bands. So actually, I will take off the EMA and also add a MACD. You can go ahead and search that up here. Go ahead and edit the parameters here. Press save, and you'll see this down here. You can edit the size of all the windows here by doing this. So this is the basic setup that I like to trade with. So you can set limit orders like this. So for example, say that I want to buy here. This will define the amount that you buy with. As you can see, buy 5, you can press buy here, and this will set a order for you. In which here we can go down and view it. We can double click here and see more of the details. And also we can buy the market here, which will buy the active price right here. And then you can go to positions here and you can see the P&L here on the Pacific market, how well you're doing. And up here we can change the intervals, so 1 hour or 1 minute. It's up to you, it's a personal choice. Here we have some drawing tools like the Fibonacci retracements, lines, and other tools like this, which are handy. Also up here we can set stop loss and take profits here. We can set the value in dollars, delta price, or ticks. So go ahead and turn this on or off if you want this. And also we can use the DOM here. So make sure the tickers are corresponding, so you're trading on the correct markets here. Then here we can specify a price. And before you trade, you want to set a stop loss and take profit here. Make sure it's on. So when you trade, it will be engaged here. For example, here I can go ahead and buy.
Order fill.
And you will see the price on the DOM here. If I want to close out position here, I can quickly do that by press close, and that will close the position for me. Up here we can add different features, like I've said previously. Here we can add alerts. So yeah, it's pretty much up to you to customize the user interface to exactly how you trade, input the specific markets, input the specific indicators that you will use that are to do with your specific trading style. Up here we have our account details, and here we can also view and analyze our trading performance, and it's all laid out very nicely. So if you want to cancel orders down here, you can right click it and then you can press exit. And if you want to view one of these markets quickly, you can press chart, you can press trade. And if you want to place a trade on one of these markets, you can go here and press trade, and you can go ahead and set this here. Click on advanced to set the stop loss and take profit here. But yeah, that's the basics, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.